Hola. Hi, Mommy. My mom's staring at me. What?
What are you doing?
Being an idiot.
What?
Being an idiot.
Why are you being an idiot?
Because it's fun.
Okay then. I have no
And-
comment.
And that's what my conversations with my mom consist of.
That's very smart.
Thank you.
I was in compliment.
I take all insult as compliments.
I know she is. That's why I'm being as sarcastic as she is.
Thank you. Chips! Ow. That hurt. What?
You have chips?
Chips. Chips and croissants. Chips and croissants. Okay, I got food. Bye-bye. Food. That was awesome.
Patricia, say cool.
Cool.
I say whip.
Whip.
I say cool whip.
Cool whip.
Crop stick. Honeycomb.
You're eating hair.
Salmon.
Peace.
Called